Bismillah, there are moments in life when your heart feels heavy. You pray, but the answer seems delayed. You work hard, yet nothing changes. You smile in front of people, but deep inside you are fighting battles no one knows about. There are nights when tears become your closest companion and questions fill your mind. Why is this happening to me? Why is life so difficult? If you are going through such a season right now, then this reminder is for you. Because sometimes when life gets hard, we forget the most important truths. We forget that pain has a purpose. We forget that every storm has an end. We forget that the one who created us knows exactly what we can bear. Today, remember this. Your struggle is not a sign that you have been abandoned. Your hardship is not proof that your prayers are ignored. In fact, your pain may be preparing you for blessings that your current self is not yet ready to receive. So before you give up, before you lose hope, and before you think your story is over, listen carefully. Your difficult chapter may actually be the beginning of something beautiful. My beloved brothers and sisters, one of the greatest deceptions of hardship is that it makes itself feel permanent. When you are in pain, it feels like the pain will never leave. When your heart is broken, it feels as though it will never heal. When you are struggling financially, you begin to think that ease will never come. When your prayers remain unanswered for a long time, you start believing that your situation will never change. This is the nature of difficulties. They make the night seem endless and the burden seem impossible to carry. But pause for a moment and look back at your own life. Have you not already survived things that once seemed impossible? There were days when you thought you would never smile again, yet here you are. There were moments when you believed a certain loss would destroy you, but you continued to live and grow. There were fears that kept you awake at night, worries that consumed your thoughts, and problems that appeared too heavy for your shoulders. Yet somehow, with the mercy of Allah, you made it through them. The human being often measures life by the pain of the present moment. We become so focused on today's struggle that we forget the countless times Allah brought us out of previous struggles. We remember our wounds but forget our healing. We remember our tears but forget the comfort that eventually arrived. We remember the storm but forget that every storm in our lives has eventually passed. Hardships are temporary by their very nature. No pain remains forever. No season of difficulty lasts forever. Even the longest night eventually gives way to dawn. Even the harshest winter eventually welcomes spring. The world itself was never designed to be a place of constant comfort. It changes continuously. Happiness changes, sadness changes, people change, circumstances change, and situations change. The problem is that when we are suffering, our emotions convince us that this difficult chapter is the entire story. There are people who once cried because they had no job, and today they provide for entire families. There are people who once suffered from loneliness, and today they are surrounded by love and companionship. There are people who once felt trapped by debt, fear, or heartbreak, and today they speak about those difficulties as distant memories. If circumstances can change so dramatically for others, why do we assume that our own situation is beyond hope? The mercy of Allah is not temporary like our pain. Human beings can walk away, friends can disappoint us, wealth can disappear, health can decline, opportunities can be delayed. But the mercy of Allah remains constant. It does not diminish because of our weakness. It does not disappear because of our mistakes. It does not end because of our tears. It surrounds us even when we fail to recognize it. Sometimes His mercy appears in the form of protection. You ask for something, but it is withheld because it would have harmed you. Sometimes His mercy appears in the form of delay because your heart, your character, or your circumstances need more preparation. Sometimes His mercy appears through difficulties themselves because the trial softens your heart, brings you closer to Him, and teaches you lessons that comfort never could. Many people only recognize mercy when they receive exactly what they wanted. But mercy is much bigger than that. Mercy is waking up every morning despite yesterday's pain. Mercy is having another opportunity to make dua. Mercy is being given strength to continue when you thought you had none left. Mercy is being protected from things you cannot see. Mercy is finding peace in the middle of chaos. Mercy is receiving patience during a storm you never asked for. There are moments in life when nothing around you seems to make sense. The doors remain closed. The answers do not come. The tears continue to fall. Yet even in those moments, you are never outside the mercy of Allah. The very fact that your heart still turns toward Him, the very fact that you still hope, the very fact that you still seek His help is itself a sign that His mercy is closer than you imagine. Pain has an expiry date, but the mercy of Allah has no limit. Difficulties may stay for days, months, or even years, but they never stay forever. They are chapters, not the entire book. They are seasons, not the entire climate of your life. They are tests that come and go, while the mercy of your Creator continues to surround you in ways that you often cannot see, cannot understand, and cannot fully comprehend, my beloved brothers and sisters. One of the most difficult things for the human heart is to understand pain while it is happening. When we go through hardship, our minds immediately ask, why me? Why now? Why is this happening? We want answers, we want explanations. We want to understand the reason behind every disappointment, every delay, every loss, and every tear. But there are times in life when the wisdom of Allah is hidden from us. Not because there is no wisdom, but because we are too close to the pain to see the bigger picture. Imagine reading only one page of a book. If that page contains sadness, struggle, and loss, you might think the entire story is tragic. But the author of your life sees every chapter from beginning to end. He knows what happened before you were born, what is happening today, and what is waiting for you tomorrow. He knows which people should remain in your life and which people need to leave. He knows which doors should open and which doors should stay closed. He knows what would benefit you and what would destroy you, even if you desperately desire it. Many times a difficulty enters your life carrying a hidden gift. You may lose a job only to discover a better opportunity later. You may experience heartbreak only to realize that the relationship was leading you away from peace and goodness. You may face financial hardship only to learn gratitude, patience, and reliance upon Allah. You may suffer from loneliness only to develop a deeper relationship with your Creator. At the moment of the trial, none of these blessings are visible. All you can see is the pain. But years later, you often look back and say, now I understand why it happened. There are people who became more compassionate because they suffered. There are people who learned humility because they lost everything they once depended on. There are people who became stronger because they were forced to carry burdens they never asked for. There are people whose hearts softened because hardship broke their arrogance and reminded them of their need for Allah. Some of the most beautiful qualities in a human being are born in the middle of difficulties. Patience is not developed during times of comfort. Trust in Allah is not built when everything goes according to your plans. Gratitude is not truly understood when you have never experienced loss. Strength, wisdom, compassion, resilience, and sincerity often emerge from seasons of pain. Think about the moments in your life that changed you the most. It is usually not the days of comfort and ease that transformed your character. It was the nights you cried. It was the disappointments that humbled you. It was the unanswered questions that taught you to trust. It was the losses that made you appreciate what truly matters. It was the hardships that forced you to discover strengths you never knew you possessed. There are blessings that only arrive wearing the clothing of hardship. They do not come as gifts wrapped in comfort and happiness. They come disguised as delays, closed doors, painful experiences, and difficult lessons. At first you resist them. You complain about them. You wish they had never happened. But with time you begin to realize that those very experiences protected you, matured you, and guided you toward a better version of yourself. Sometimes the wisdom behind a difficulty is protection from something you cannot see. You may be praying for an opportunity that appears perfect in your eyes, while Allah knows it would bring regret, heartbreak, or destruction. You may be asking for something that you believe is necessary for your happiness, while Allah knows it would distance you from Him and harm your future. Out of His mercy, He closes the door and you mistake His protection for rejection. At other times, the hidden wisdom is preparation. There are blessings that require growth before they can be safely carried. There are responsibilities that require maturity. There are opportunities that demand patience, discipline, and trust. Sometimes Allah delays what you want because He is preparing your heart for what you need. Human beings judge events based on the present moment, but divine wisdom extends far beyond our limited understanding. A painful chapter today may become the reason for your peace tomorrow. A disappointment today may become the greatest protection of your life. A delay today may save you from future regret. A hardship today may lead you to blessings you never imagined. There are blessings in lessons learned, blessings in prayers whispered during the night, blessings in becoming more grateful, blessings in becoming more compassionate toward others, blessings in learning to depend on Allah alone, blessings in discovering your inner strength, blessings in realizing that your heart can survive what you once believed would break it, and blessings hidden within every difficulty that your eyes cannot yet see and your heart has not yet fully understood. My beloved brothers and sisters, whenever difficulties enter our lives, our first reaction is often fear. We immediately think that the trial has come to break us, to defeat us, or to take away our happiness forever. We look at our problems and ask ourselves, how much more can I take? We feel exhausted, emotionally drained, and spiritually weak. Sometimes the burden becomes so heavy that we wonder if we will ever be the same person again. But what if the trial was never sent to destroy you? What if the hardship you are carrying today has actually come to make you stronger than you have ever been before? Look at the strongest trees in nature. They do not grow in perfect conditions. They grow through storms, heavy winds, changing seasons, and harsh environments. Their roots become deep because they are forced to withstand difficulties. If they had never faced resistance, they would remain weak and fragile. Human beings are not very different. Strength is rarely developed during times of comfort. A person sitting in ease does not fully discover their patience, resilience, courage, or faith. These qualities emerge when life becomes difficult. They appear when things do not go according to plan. They develop when doors close, when expectations are shattered, and when we are forced to rely on Allah in ways we never imagined. Think about your own life. The person you are today was shaped by your struggles. The wisdom you possess came from mistakes and lessons. The compassion in your heart may have come from your own suffering. Your patience may have developed because you had to wait for something you desperately wanted. Your strength may have emerged because you survived something you once thought would destroy you. Every difficult experience leaves a mark on your character. Some experiences teach you not to depend entirely on people. Some teach you gratitude. Some teach you humility. Some teach you the importance of prayer. Some teach you the value of time and relationships. Some remind you that your real source of strength has always been Allah. There are people who only discovered their courage because life placed them in situations where they had no choice but to be brave. There are people who only discovered their resilience because they endured losses they never expected. There are people who only became spiritually connected because their pain brought them to their knees in prayer. When everything is going smoothly, we often become distracted. We begin to believe that we are in complete control of our lives. We rely upon our plans, our abilities, and our resources. But trials have a way of reminding us of our dependence on Allah. They remove our illusions of control. They humble us. They teach us that we are not as powerful as we sometimes imagine. A person who has never struggled may possess knowledge, but a person who has struggled possesses wisdom. A person who has never faced pain may have confidence, but a person who has survived pain often develops strength that cannot be shaken easily. A person who has never been tested may have faith, but a person who continues trusting Allah during hardship develops a deeper and more meaningful relationship with Him. Many of the people we admire for their strength did not become strong because life was easy for them. They became strong because life was difficult. They cried, they experienced disappointments, they faced rejection, they endured losses, and they encountered moments when they thought they could not continue. Yet those experiences shaped them into the people they became. There are times when Allah allows us to walk through difficult valleys, because there are lessons in those valleys that cannot be learned on mountaintops. There are qualities within you that remain hidden until hardship brings them out. There is patience within you that you have not yet discovered. There is courage within you that has not yet been tested. There is faith within you that has not yet reached its full potential. You may feel broken during your trial, but being broken and being destroyed are not the same thing. Sometimes a person feels shattered because they are changing. Sometimes the old version of yourself must be challenged so that a stronger version can emerge. Sometimes your comfort zone has to disappear because your growth lies beyond it. The difficulties you face may leave scars, but scars often become reminders of survival. They remind you that you endured what you once thought was unbearable. They remind you that you continued walking when you wanted to give up. They remind you that you found strength you never knew existed within you. Every challenge you overcome increases your capacity to handle future challenges. Every hardship you survive teaches you that you are stronger than your fears. Every storm you endure becomes proof that you can continue moving forward even when life becomes difficult. Every tear, every sleepless night, every disappointment, and every painful lesson can become part of the process that transforms you into a wiser, stronger, more patient, and more resilient person than you were before the trial ever began, my beloved brothers and sisters. If there is one thing I want you to remember when this reminder ends, it is this: your hardship is not your final destination. The pain you are feeling today is not the end of your story. The tears you cry in the darkness are not unseen, and the prayers you whisper with a broken heart are not unheard. Life will test you. There will be moments when you feel exhausted, disappointed, and overwhelmed. There will be days when you do not understand why certain things happened, and nights when the future seems uncertain. But never allow your temporary struggles to make you forget the permanent mercy of Allah. Remember that every difficulty carries wisdom, even if you cannot see it right now. Remember that every trial is shaping you, teaching you, and strengthening you in ways that comfort never could. Remember that some of the greatest blessings in life arrive after seasons of patience, and some of the most beautiful chapters begin after the most painful endings. Do not give up because of one difficult chapter. Do not lose hope because of one unanswered prayer. Do not believe that your story is over simply because life has become hard. The one who carried you through your previous storms is the same one who is with you in this storm today. Perhaps this hardship is making your heart softer. Perhaps it is bringing you closer to your Creator. Perhaps it is protecting you from something you cannot see. Perhaps it is preparing you for blessings that are far greater than what you currently imagine. So hold on to your faith. Continue making dua. Continue trusting. Continue being patient. Keep your heart attached to Allah even when everything around you seems uncertain. Walk through your difficulties with hope, because no night lasts forever, no storm remains forever, and no pain stays forever. And one day, by the permission of Allah, you will look back at this difficult season of your life and realize that the moments that almost broke you were the very moments that built you, guided you, transformed you, and brought you closer to the mercy, wisdom, and love of the one who never left your side for even a single moment.